Bubblegum. It's a timeless treat enjoyed by kids and adults alike. Whether you prefer classic pink, a burst of fruity flavor, or something totally unique, there's a bubblegum out there for everyone. But have you ever stopped to wonder how this chewy, flavorful confection is made? The journey from factory to package is a fascinating blend of science and artistry. This isn't some Willy Wonka fantasy though. We're going to break down the process step by step, using simple terms and a practical approach. By the time we're done, you'll be a bubblegum aficionado, able to impress your friends with your knowledge of this delightful treat. So, let's unwrap the mystery and explore the world of bubblegum production. The key to a great bubblegum lies in its ingredients. While recipes vary, there are some common components that form the foundation of this chewy confection. First and foremost, we have the gum base. This is the heart of the gum, providing its chewiness and elasticity. Gum bases are typically made from a blend of synthetic materials, including polymers, resins, and waxes. These ingredients are carefully selected to create a gum that's chewy, yet soft enough to blow bubbles. Next up, we have sweeteners, which are essential for giving bubblegum its delightful taste. Sugar is a popular choice, but other sweeteners like corn syrup or artificial sweeteners can also be used. Of course, no bubblegum would be complete without flavorings. From classic fruity flavors like strawberry and watermelon to more unique options like cotton candy or cinnamon, the possibilities are endless. Natural and artificial flavorings are used to create these taste sensations. Lastly, we have colorings, which give bubblegum its vibrant hues. Just like flavorings, colorings can be natural or artificial, depending on the desired effect. Now that we have our ingredients, it's time to start mixing and cooking. The process begins by melting the gum base in a large, heated mixer. Think of it like a giant stand mixer but built for industrial-scale gum production. As the gum base melts, it transforms into a thick, viscous liquid. This is where the magic starts to happen. Once the gum base is melted, the sweeteners are gradually added and mixed in. The mixture is constantly stirred and heated to ensure that all the ingredients are evenly distributed. This process can take several hours as the gum needs to reach a specific temperature and consistency. As the mixture cooks, it gradually transforms from a sticky mess into a smooth, pliable dough. This dough, known as the gum mass, is the foundation for all the bubblegum goodness to come. It's important to get the gum mass just right, as its texture and consistency will determine the final product's chewiness and bubble-blowing capabilities. Section 4. Flavor and color. Making it pop. With the gum mass ready, it's time to inject some personality. This is where the flavorings and colorings come into play, transforming the bland gum base into a treat that's bursting with taste and visual appeal. The flavorings are typically added in liquid form, carefully measured to achieve the desired intensity. The mixing process continues as the flavors are incorporated, ensuring that every bit of gum is infused with deliciousness. Next up, the colorings are added. Like the flavorings, these are usually in liquid form and added gradually to achieve the desired shade. Whether it's a vibrant pink, a sunny yellow, or a cool blue, the colorings bring the gum to life. The mixing process ensures that the colors are evenly distributed throughout the gum mass, creating a consistent and visually appealing product. At this stage, the gum mass is a feast for the senses, smelling as good as it looks. Section 5. From slab to strips. Cutting and shaping the gum. The flavored and colored gum mass is now ready for its transformation into recognizable pieces. The first step is to form the gum mass into a large flat slab. This is typically done by passing the gum through a series of rollers, gradually thinning it out to the desired thickness. Once the slab is formed, it's time to cut it into individual pieces. This is where things get interesting, as bubblegum comes in a variety of shapes and sizes. Long, rectangular strips are a classic choice, while other options include squares, balls, and even novelty shapes. Specialized cutting machines are used to create these shapes, ensuring precision and consistency. The cutting process is surprisingly fast, transforming the large slab into countless pieces of bubblegum in a matter of minutes. The freshly cut gum pieces are then ready for their final stage of preparation before packaging. Section 6. Wrapping it up, packaging the finished product. The final stage of the bubblegum journey involves wrapping and packaging the individual pieces to preserve their freshness and flavor. This is a crucial step as it ensures that the gum reaches consumers in optimal condition. The wrapping process typically involves automated machines that swiftly wrap each piece of gum in its own protective layer. The wrapping material is carefully chosen to prevent moisture and air from affecting the gum's texture and flavor. Once wrapped, the individual pieces are then packaged into larger bags, boxes, or containers, depending on the brand and intended market. These larger packages often feature eye-catching designs and branding elements to attract consumers' attention on store shelves. And with that, the bubble gum is ready for distribution, making its way from the factory to your local store and finally, to your eager hands.